In this series, the three of us will be competing in 9 different sports. First, we'll be simulating the sports on the Nintendo Wii, and then comparing our skills to real life. These are the 9 sports listed in order. Make sure to tune in every other Wednesday for a new sport. And if you guys are enjoying the series, drop a like down below and subscribe if you want.
Alright everybody, we're on Wii Sports and we're going to be doing canoeing, and how it's going to work is we're going to do versus, and it's going to be a round robin, so everyone plays 2 matches, and the 2 people with the best records are going to go against each other in the championship, and then whoever wins Wii Sports. Let's get into it. So it's going to be me and Matt. So if you guys don't know the rules, it's basically first to get first to cross 5 ribbons. I know. Yeah, let's go with clean ribbons. 2. Go!
Oh, Tom's off to a terrible start.
Yeah, I think Matt won this one.
Oh boy. Oh, I hit the ball!
What is Matt doing here?
My remote isn't working now.
Like,
You're kidding me. There you go. There you go, buddy.
Kyle's got a pretty respectable lead right now. He's going to get the first point, the second point.
Well, look at I can't make it see myself. Matt is catching. Oh, I'm getting hit.
Kyle gets the thing.
Oh no, barely skipped that.
Kyle gets second ribbon.
Go!
Matt still got to catch up. Looks like Kyle's kind of sweating a little bit.
Oh no.
Going out of speed.
Oh no.
Yeah. So I get. Because
Now
Kyle,
Mario
yeah. Because Kyle's like so hard right now.
Oh.
Kyle is still tired. Wow, and Matt's just going off right now.
Oh no.
Tied it up.
It's all about that rhythm, I think.
I will agree with that.
Yeah.
Can you go faster, buddy? Can you go faster?
Oh.
4 points, one more.
That's at 4.
I should have cut across these little things.
Both of them are like
cheating
stuck
right
right now.
Go. The ribbon's right there. My Wii remote is not working. It's right there. Just finish it. Kyle. Oh my God. One more.
No. I got that.
And Matt gets the last one.
Oh my
That's a
God.
GG. I think Matt kind of started to suck after that first ribbon, but caught back up.
Alright, now it's Luke versus Kyle.
Alright, everybody. Me versus Luke. Let's hope I don't go 0-2.
First to 5 points.
I don't get kind of like some long short, and it's not. I'm on the other side. But I'm really on the other side. Ooh, look at this.
Do a 360. Come on. Oh, now you're going the other way.
But like, I'm on the other side. I swear, yo.
I think I took
He's
it
coming back. Oh boy, Kyle gets the second point.
I'm gonna hit one. Stuck behind the bank,
The water you turn. Luke gets his first point almost, and there he goes, Kyle. It's now 2-1.
Can you?
He's in a lead. 2-2. It's gonna be close.
I don't think I'm going. Need this one.
Oh my. Oh my. Who's gonna get this one? Alright, Luke got this one. Kyle's not that far behind at all.
I'm in the minefield, y'all. Oh no.
Uh-oh, you're screwed.
Oh no. Go.
Go.
No, Luke, go.
Take
Let's
it.
go.
Take
Go.
it. Kyle got the
Go.
third. Oh, it's 3-3. Kyle's in the lead right now. This is close. Good.
Okay, can you go on the other side?
Does get it. Kyle got it.
Get it,
4-3.
stop! Let's go!
Kyle turned Luke around. He's going the wrong way now.
I can't control.
Kyle's going to get his 5th point. Just go across the finish line.
Go, Luke, go!
And
Go!
There's the 5th point. Looks like Kyle got that. Sucks for Luke.
You really choked that one really bad.
Alright, me versus Luke. Kyle split 1-1. I am 1-0. Luke is 0-1. Here we go. Alright, 3 seconds in the clock. Practice. Get in front of him. Yes.
Oh, wait.
Oh, we're
cruising.
See ya, buddy.
Matt is cruising. This is not looking good for Luke. Looks like he's going up. He's going to be this time.
The summer's in my life.
No, Matt is way too good. What the heck?
Get the ribbon! Go! No! It's 2-1. Go!
No, go!
Oh, I'm
Go!
so
Go!
close.
Go!
Wait. Oh,
Matt,
you got that?
Go.
That was a tie. First
Wait,
no,
switch it!
Luke,
Go.
Oh, Matt gets the point. Matt gets us point.
Go the other side.
Matt could have double turning. Oh,
Can you go?
he gets a turn.
Yes.
Oh,
Midpoint is right there.
No.
Matt
Go.
going for the dub.
Walk it off.
Matthew Foster 2-0.
Darn it.
Let's go, baby. That's how it's gonna work in real life. Woo! Alright, I'm 2-0. Luke split. Nope. Kyle split.
Yeah.
And Luke went 0-2. So now it's me versus Kyle in the championship.
I'm not gonna lie. That's pretty good, not gonna lie. I think I'm gonna take a nice L on this one. It is.
Ready? Quick start.
Go, buddy. Go, buddy. Matt is just way too good.
I started out good and then I like struggling. Oh, like that. What are you doing, bud? Go. Go.
I'm having some deep strokes here, I'm not gonna lie.
This way.
I'm really
Change
hoping
size,
to
there
get
you
this
go.
point. Okay, I did not get blown out. That's good. I need to get this point.
Go past the barrier. It's right there. Alright, your Kyle got to your point. I'm coming back right here.
No. I just need this third one. There we go.
Oh god. Oh god. Change.
You have a double bladed block for a kayak.
3-3. Tied it up. Can we keep our undefeated?
No!
No! What are you doing? 360. 360. Keep going.
No.
Yes.
Kyle's on his faces too.
No way. I just got slingshotted or something. No way. No, go. Switch sides. Stop doing 360. Alright, keep down on the water. Good boy. Oh god, tied 4-4. Change sides. This is so stupid.
Uh-oh.
Kyle has this change sides too. Oh my gosh, Matt's on again.
No! This is so
Let's go.
stupid. I won
Get there.
that.
Get there. Get there.
But I know. That sucks. Wow.
Took a lot of effort and a lot of luck also and some really bad plays by Foster. But you know, win's a win.
Alright, that concludes We Kayaking. We'll see you guys out in the lake.
Alright everybody, we're out on the lake for the real life section of the video. Let's get the drone up, the camera's going, and let's get going.
Standing in the street alone. Her head was down, face locked onto her phone. And I wished I had a number so I could be color unknown. And then I tell her to look into my eyes and never let it go.
Line up.
I'm trying my best. Go.
Alright.
Ready? Yeah.
3, 2,
Oh god, we're going. Nice and easy. All the way to the dam.
These are nice and fast. Tom, move! Yo, Matt's gonna win! Yeah, we already knew that. I can't even do it, Kyle! I can see that.
Let's go. I'm getting the camera wet already.
I knew his kayak was faster.
Relax. No false movements.
I'm not gonna lie, I think we're going pretty fast. Wait, Matt, do you go to the right or the left?
Left. I'm definitely getting the camera wet. My apologies, viewers. This is a long ways. This is so hard.
I'm about to capsize.
Oh, beat. I slammed my momentum down.
Oh.
I can't keep going. Oh, I literally just saw a turtle right here. He poked his head out. Try not to go near the buoys.
boobies.
I'm so far behind. Not funny.
Don't go near the buoys. Touch the wall and turn. I need some water. Jake, go out to my car and give me a water bottle for when I make my comeback.
Uh-oh. Huh?
Oh,
You have to touch it. All right, boys. I touched it.
there we go, touched
I'm
it.
stuck in the reefs, guys. Probably a bunch of snakes. Did Matt even touch it?
Yes, I did.
Guys, I got far behind. I got stuck in those reefs. I was in second, right next to Luke. Really bad timing. A really bad turn.
I'm so out of breath.
I'm really tired.
I need to win in Wii Sports. I mean in real life. Oh my God. Oh my God, Kyle's right there. How are you going so fast?
The King Foster.
Pulling you back.
Max cheating.
Oh, I almost fell over. Oh my God, I need a break. We're so close though. How is Luke going so fast?
It's because I had a bad turn.
I think Luke took steroids. Come on, Matt. I really just want to beat Kyle.
We're gaining.
That way I'm catching up to Luke.
Arms are getting really tired. Energy's going down. I'm not giving up though. Almost there. Stop when you're done. Not when you're tired. Motivational quote by Jacob Souders.
No way. No way. No way. I'm not making this. We're done, boys. I'm calling it quits. Luke already won. I'm just gonna enjoy my time on the kayak. It's a long race. You know what, camera? You get this because you guys made me lose. Take that splash. I'm so far behind. Oh. Honestly, this is a fun challenge. I would do it again, but you know, I gotta build up my arm strength because obviously I'm lacking something. I don't know how I get past the child.
Wow, I'm not really far behind. Just trying to get up. I'm gonna get second. That's a good race. think we could have been a really good competitor if we wouldn't have hit that bad turnaround. Turnaround really slowed us back. I'm not gonna lie.
Trevor, I'm sorry I took last on your kayak. You can shame me all you want. Holy deep. I just said hey to the drone. I'll say hey again. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Hey, drone. Woo. We're almost there. Get to the finish line. And I finished. Woo! Yes, I did. And I choked so bad.
Let's recap. Matt started out early fast. Ethan basically just wasted all of his energy, slowed down a crap ton.
I don't know how.
Luke passed him, I passed him. For the turnarounds, Luke had a decent one. Took him a bit, but he was okay. So he was still in first at that time. Matt had a really good turn, but then he was in first by the end of the turn, and then he went downhill. Matt then just slowed down again. Luke passed him, I passed him. I was up with Luke, but I was just really far back. I started to gain on him. Last probably 500 to 1,000. But a very well-deserving win from Luke. Matt did really bad. Very disappointed. Very terrible. Didn't put any effort in.
I tried.
He just stopped when he got tired.
I don't know how I was going so slow.
Where's the 8?
And then my arms just completely gave up.
All right, that was a rough ending for me. Obviously, I got last. Luke, congratulations for your 3rd Wii Sports vs. Real Life win.
Thank you, Matt.
The real life portion, obviously. And if you guys are enjoying the series, make sure you give it a thumbs up down below. Subscribe if you aren't already. And big thanks to our friends Xander and Trevor for the kayaks. See you guys in the next one. Boom! How'd you like that time lapse?